In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Apple Music family plan problem. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is check your subscription. Simply go to settings and then tap on your name and subscription and make sure that your Apple Music family plan is active and renew the subscription if it has expired. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check the family sharing setup. You can go to settings and then tap on your name and click on family sharing. Make sure that Apple Music is included in shared features. If not, enable Apple Music. The third thing you want to do is ask the family organizer to check if you're added. They can manage members in settings and family sharing, and if removed, ask them to be added. Now, the other thing you want to do is check your email or message for family sharing, accepting or invitation, and tap on the accept and follow the instruction. That will go ahead and give you the plan. If none of it is working, you might need to try to sign out and sign back in, or even update your device, check your payment method, or you could try removing and re-adding family member. Or if nothing works, just go to support.apple.com.